So the next page we are going to add is the confirm delete page. Now we are currently in the trash, and if you click on the delete button for any article in the trash, it means you want to delete that article permanently. So it is an action that cannot be reversed. So it is important that before we delete the article, we should provide a kind of prompt to the user to let them confirm again that they really want to do this and they did not just click this button by mistake. So just a quick demo on the finished project. We are currently in the trash. Let's say I want to delete this second article. I will click on the delete button, and instead of automatically deleting it, it shows me a confirmation page for me to double check again and be sure that I want to delete it permanently. Alright, and we also make sure the buttons are red to indicate or signal to the user that the action they're about to perform is potentially dangerous. Okay, so it's a fairly simple page, so let us go ahead and implement it. Okay, so inside the post folder, we are going to create a new file called confirm delete.html. Believe it or not, we are going to model it after the manage post page. So I'm going to copy all the code within this page inside index.html in the post folder, and then paste it inside our confirm delete page. Then I'll scroll to the top and make sure the title of the page reads confirm delete. Then we leave the header and the sidebar just the way they are, and then we'll make sure we take out the entire table. We don't need a table on this page, so I'll select all of that and take it out. I will also select the entire table actions section and delete it. The featured post form is not also required, neither is the message, so I'll delete both of those. The title of this page is simply going to be "Are you sure?" And then within the responsive, or before we add the content, I want us to also remove the script for featured post. So we remove that, and I believe we are good to go. We can now start adding the main elements that make up our confirm delete page. So these include 2 paragraphs and 2 buttons. Okay, so the first paragraph says "Are you sure you want to delete the post titled, this is the sample post title, permanently?" And then the second paragraph simply says, "This action cannot be undone." Okay, so this is just to further warn the user. We're going to give it a style of color red, just to call it out. And then the next thing now is the buttons, and I'm going to group both of them inside a div element. So the first one is going to be, we're going to give it a class of btn, the default button class, then danger btn, so that it has the red color. Okay, so the text on this button, or the label, is going to say permanently delete. Okay, and then that's it for one button. The next button is just going to be a default button, no particular colors, so just the default button. So we'll give it just a class of btn, and the label on this will simply be do nothing. Okay, I believe that is it. Let us refresh and see. So we will go to post folder and then visit confirm delete.html, and this is what it looks like. Okay, I think the font size here is bigger, so let us increase our font size a bit. Now I'm just going to snuck in a little CSS or inline CSS here. We'll give it a font size of 18 pixels, okay, to make it slightly bigger. Alright, let us refresh. Did that increase? Yeah, I believe it did. Just a sanity check. Let me just give a ridiculously big number and make sure it's okay, it's working. Alright, so 18 is fine, and I believe we've gotten what we want in terms of the confirm delete page. Now I'm going to take out the center class to make sure this title comes to the left. So I'll take out this class on the post on the page title, so it brings it to the left. So that's it about the design for the confirm delete page. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.